to Talk Free. Today, everything is digital and so is marketing. And marketing is no longer about the stuff you make, but about the stories you tell.
Traditional marketing is telling the world that you are a rock star, and digital marketing is showing the world that you are a rock star.
Don't push people to where you want to be, rather, meet them where they are. This is digital marketing.
Good marketing makes a company look smart, and great marketing makes the customer feel smart. You are out of business if you are not available on SEARCH search.
Well, this reminds me of a quote: Google loves you only when everyone else loves you first. Marketing your presence on social media is as important as creating your presence. And to be honest, we don't have a choice whether we do social media. The question is how well we do it.
Exactly. And earlier, if someone made customers unhappy, each of them would have told around six people. But today, if you make customers unhappy on the internet, each of them will tell almost 6,000 people.
This is an insane power. Digital marketing is making brands visible. It has literally become oxygen of every business. To sustain in this competitive world, one needs to be visible. Even when it comes to making your brand visible in the broad daylight, it is pushing that hard.
And to discuss marketing a digital way, we have a digital marketer with us.
Our today's guest is Amrish R. Mehta, who is a digital marketer. The goal of his organization, Elever Digital Elevation, is to accompany 100 companies through the fast transformation brought about by digital technology, and it has also successfully helped several companies achieve their digital goals. He has won plenty of awards, one at India Pack, an international packing exhibition, another award from Astha, Ray of Hope for Upcoming Entrepreneur of the Year 2013. And viewers, the best is yet to come. He is also a stand-up comedian by the name Fatso Mehta. So I suppose you get all the cracky ideas for digital marketing because of your fabulous humor. And we welcome you to Talk Free.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Preeti.
Yes.
it is an amazing combination of being a stand-up comedian and being a digital marketer. So we welcome you.
Well, the first question, I'm very curious to know, how did you get into digital marketing?
So basically, 24 years ago, I started my career into print media. So I was into printing and packaging industry. And in 2012, I started publishing a magazine that was on Indian MSMEs. And for 3 years, we were working hard to make it a success. We worked really hard. But 3 years later, we failed. All our hard work failed, and then we realized that it is not working. And then we decided to take that magazine digitally, and then
Okay.
we started getting success.
Okay.
So after 3 years of hard work and a big hole in my pocket, I learned that now this is the digital is the new medium. So, and in 2015, I started my diversified into tours and travels.
Okay.
So I started marketing my new venture on digital platforms,
Okay.
and I started getting the success in tours and travels. तो मतलब बहुत कम टाइम में मुझे
तेजी पकड़ लिया
वो
आपका
नए
बिजनेस।
वेंचर में हाँ तो देन आई रियलाइज कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग is the best way to market. So then I started a digital marketing company.
ओके, तो इसे ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड, आपने पहले खुद पर ट्राई किया, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग
Yeah,
तो आपने वही स्टार्ट कर लिया.
right,
ओके,
true.
a great way to start your business. Lovely.
Yeah. So मतलब it's with a lot of experience and काफी मतलब experimenting के बाद मतलब ये किया है.
So, well, we have known traditional marketing, like advertising on TV, newspaper, billboards since ages, and it has been effective. Digital marketing looks confusing, especially to a layman. Can you briefly explain so what it is exactly?
So Sanjay, just assume you are on FB and suddenly a ad pops up, or you are on some search engine, मतलब you are looking मतलब on your search engine platform, and there also you say an ad. So basically that's digital marketing. So any ad which is on an electronic medium with the help of an internet, to mean like it's a very basic thing. Okay, anything with on the electronic medium with internet, with the use of internet, is digital marketing. And actually it is not at all confusing. In fact, I'll tell you a fact. An average Indian spends 2 hours 20 minutes in a day on social media.
सर ये
So
बहुत ही
just
कम की टाइम
imagine
बताएं आप. एवरेज में शायद से बहुत ज्यादा होगा, स्पेशली फॉर यंगस्टर्स.
yeah. So maybe by it has increased by 7.2% in this past 5 months, the use of digital marketing, social media
सोशल
platforms.
मीडिया.
So it's yeah. So means like it's a very strong platform and it's not at all confusing. It's like very simple. So your Facebook is a social media, even your WhatsApp, email. So everything is a social media basically.
तो पहले तो टीवी में कोई सीरियल चल रहा है तो उसके बाद ऐड आता था. अभी तो आप कोई वेबसाइट को सर्च कर रहे हैं तो वेबसाइट का काम भी चल रहा है और एडवर्टीजमेंट इट्स साइमल्टेनियसली. लाइक ट्रेडिशनल में वैसा नहीं था.
Yes.
Right.
ओके,
So
इट्स
and
वेरी सिंपल.
recently,
Yes, sir.
recently with the rise of these OTT platforms, you must be have seen that TV medium has मतलब, in मतलब they are losing their this thing because
Viewers.
because almost everybody is on OTT platforms.
Right, right, right.
And even newspaper nowadays, due to this corona, everybody has stopped taking the news physical copies of the newspaper.
Correct.
So how will you market? So this will be the best platform to market yourself.
Market it. Okay. There has been recent news about purchasing subscribers and followers by paying a hefty amount. Is this under digital marketing too? Like, is this the general way social media handlers perform their task?
No, no, no. It's basically it's completely unethical,
Right.
and it's हो रहा है मतलब unfortunately it is happening. But see, it's a vicious cycle, and like the more the followers, the bigger the influencers. So, but ultimately, if you'll see, the content is everything. Matlab,
Content
how
is the
many
king.
followers you buy or how many likes you get, but if your content is not strong enough, or your content is not original, so it is not going to help you ultimately. So content is the main thing. So but it is happening, and see, in every industry or every medium there are pros and cons, like
Pro
it happens.
Exactly.
Mhm.
हर इंडस्ट्री में है, हर प्रोफेशन में है. So इस प्रोफेशन में
Ah,
भी डेफिनेटली है.
yeah, it happens, but and obviously it is a paid medium. Even digital is a paid medium, but buying the likes and followers and all is obviously unethical. And
Unethical.
we run the ads and we try to get organically, we are reaching, and that is going to help basically.
In the long run, that will help. Maybe short run के लिए आप
Yes.
buy कर लो. In the long run, it won't work.
Ah,
That
correct.
okay.
It is more like not selling a product but buying the customers.
Correct.
Yes,
True.
yes, yes. Very well explained. Yes.
Sir, could you share a couple of examples where companies which went ahead with digital marketing got fame and recognitions and their sales or services went absolutely high?
Actually, there are many, but I'll share a few recent experiences and success stories. Recently, one of my client in this lockdown, he started manufacturing masks.
Okay.
So immediately we built an e-commerce website for him, and within few days we built an e-commerce website and we started marketing his products on social media platforms. Today you won't believe he is earning in lakhs. His business is in lakhs on these social platforms.
Okay.
So that's how in this lockdown also he's doing a very good business. Another example I can give you, we do social media marketing for a dance academy.
Okay.
So in this lockdown, they started with their online classes. With online classes, we just thought that since the classes are online, so now we don't have any geographical barriers. So your student can be from anywhere.
Correct.
So we started promoting their online classes around the globe, and you won't believe now they have students not only from all over Mumbai, but whole of India and even from USA, UAE, and Southeast Asia.
Sir, are you
So like
serious?
for
ऐसा?
yes,
Just
yes,
Mumbai नहीं,
so,
पूरा world is now the customer.
the world, yes.
तो सर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग पूरे वर्ल्ड को अपने कदमों पर नचा रहा है.
Yes, true. And I mean, like for them, so this was blessing in disguise. मतलब जैसा हो गया. Earlier, they were limited to one suburb where they can, they could get students only from that particular suburbs. But now, from around the globe, they are getting the students. So
Okay.
it was like really, and they are really doing well.
तो जादू की छड़ी है लगता है डिजिटल मार्केटिंग.
Yes, true, 100%.
Okay. Sir, this is a very personal experience I'm sharing. Whenever I search in Google via phone or laptop or speak to someone over the phone regarding anything, say clothes or accessories, I see its advertisements everywhere the next second, whether in a laptop or mobile. Is this digital marketing?
Mhm. So basically, that is called artificial intelligence.
Okay.
And see, most of your apps are registered with your email ID, and your email ID is synced with your phone. So whenever it detects whatever you are searching on your phone, say some clothes or whatever accessories you are searching, so that will detect that artificial with the artificial intelligence, they will detect okay, what you are looking for, and then they will show all the related products on your social media platform. Even if you go on the Google, the first thing they will show is
Exactly.
something related to your search.
Right.
Yes, sir. So basically, we say that in today's digital world, privacy is just a setting.
It's just a setting, yes, sir. That's only a setting.
So
अब तो कुछ privacy है ही नहीं. आप जो भी करते हो
true,
वो सब
exactly.
तो बाकी सारे apps ले लेते हैं.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So if you just, for an example, you just buy a domain, from any site, whatever sites you are, just buy a domain and just see within minutes you will start receiving emails and SMSs from, we are a website developer, we are a digital marketing company, contact us for website. So how do they get? So basically, it's all game of artificial intelligence, and it's
सर
the
हम लोग terms and
it's a
conditions read भी नहीं करते हैं. We simply accept
true.
it all. अगर नहीं करेंगे तो वो हम लोग use नहीं कर सकते हैं.
True.
Yes. Okay.
So, when should a company or say a startup go for digital marketing? Is the benefit instant?
See, digital marketing can be started immediately. It is the easiest and the most affordable way to promote your business. But we would say that first create your social media strategy. Without the strategy and planning, whatever you are posting, that is not going to help you. So strategy and planning is very important. And obviously it will take time. Anything will take time. It's not that you start posting on social media and start getting the business, but you should take care of it. You can start as soon as you start a business, or anytime you can start your digital marketing, but strategy is very important.
Okay. Instant success nahi, just like Maggie. Any business takes time.
Yeah,
So this will
obviously
just
it
help
takes
you
time.
reach a wider audience.
Yeah, you have to build your credibility first, and then you can focus on sales.
And as you said, content. If it's sales, then product
Content
has to
is
be
sales.
good. The quality has to be good.
Yes, true. So kind of creatives what we use, we try to make good content, make good creatives, make good videos, so which can attract
तो
the
दिखता है वो
audience.
बिकता है. तो सोशल मीडिया डिजिटल मार्केटिंग जो दिखेगा वो फिर अल्टीमेटली हिट होगा ही होगा. Provided you
Correct,
are
correct.
going okay.
एग्जैक्टली भाई, तो 2 मिनट का मैगी का वीडियो भी 8 मिनट का है यूट्यूब पे.
True.
How should one select which platform to use for advertising? Like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. We have various blogging sites, LinkedIn, or any other website for that matter. Choose कैसे करें?
That's a very good question, Preeti. Basically, selecting the right platform is very important for any company. It's your success depends on your platform what you choose. See, it is not important that you should be present on all the platforms.
Okay.
Select only 2 or 3 platforms depending on your target audience. What
Okay.
type of audience you are targeting. For an example, I can say if there is a bakery or a restaurant, even or a clothing line. So for them, Instagram and Facebook will work wonders. So
Okay.
that will really help.
Okay.
But if there are some professional services, like say some financial advisor or a mutual fund guy or a business coach, for an example. So for them, even LinkedIn will be a very good platform because they can connect with the professionals on that platform. So
Okay.
Instagram won't help them much.
Won't help
So Facebook is a common platform. So even for that fact, I would say there are 2.7 billion active users of Facebook every month. 2.7 billion all over the world.
I
So
know.
Facebook is it consists of 70% of the social media chunk amongst all the platforms.
Okay. Facebook. I
Hmm.
suppose the following is then Instagram. Instagram is
Yeah,
taking up the
Instagram is
pace. And professionals के लिए
yeah.
definitely you were right. LinkedIn
Professional,
is the
yeah,
best.
definitely LinkedIn is the best platform.
LinkedIn is the best.
So choosing the right platform is very important.
So talk free के लिए
Then
क्या रहेगा?
टॉक फ्री के लिए भी you should मतलब obviously you're making YouTube videos, then you have to promote your videos on Facebook and Instagram. Means like you can share your links, and with the links you can run the ads, and see, obviously you'll need more likes and subscribers. If you want some sponsorship for your channel or for this particular talk show, so when will you receive a sponsorship or a investor, or
So
you need
subscribers,
subscribers for that.
subscribers.
So for all of that, definitely see, Mark Zuckerberg must be wearing only one blue color T-shirt, but still he needs money. So he is not going to show your ad to everybody until and
Right.
unless you put money in that.
Exactly.
So
यही बात है.
it's very important to run the ads, and we use right demographics. Our role is to use right demographics to depending on the content and what is the business or what is the platform we are using. So using the right demographics to run the ads, that will help you boost your
Okay.
channel.
medium.
Visibility.
So, if someone wants to pursue digital marketing as a career, what basics he should know or get his homework done to get going? And also a few tips for stand-up comedy as well.
So for digital marketing, if you want to pursue as a career, no, experience is the biggest factor. Market research and techniques of marketing are very important to succeed in digital marketing platform. Well, there are many courses also available for digital marketing. You can learn from there. But if somebody wants to pursue a career, I would suggest they should work with some agency for some time, gain the experience from there, so that practical experience will help them first. Obviously, courses are there, but practical knowledge is more important.
क्लाइंट के लिए
Important.
कौन सा बेस्ट रहेगा वो देखने के लिए that requires practical
True,
experience.
platform. So with the experience, you will come to know what platform I have to choose, what how do I optimize. मतलब जैसे मैंने बोला demographics कैसे use करना है address करने के लिए, तो वो सब उनको जब शुरू करेंगे करना, and if they have the experience, they will only uh, they will succeed in so digital marketing.
Correct. And the stand-up comedy?
Stand-up comedy.
Stand-up comedy तो मतलब see even I'm an amateur but I try when I sit sometimes I try to write something फिर घर पे पहले तो आजमाता हूँ लोगों पे घर वालों पे आजमाता हूँ see they can laugh then I can मतलब हाँ then people will also laugh if because see
try में तो सब
वाले
कुछ है
सबसे
ना
tricky होते
try
हैं
करते रहना चाहिए
true और घर वाले सबसे बड़े क्रिटिक होते हैं तो मतलब वो जैसे पहले उन पे आजमाते हैं तो दे विल इमीडिएटली टेल अस अरे भाई नहीं नहीं क्या बकवास है तो विल कम टू
okay this has been a fantastic session with all my doubts cleared. I am sure the doubts of our viewers regarding digital marketing must have been cleared too. Your brand isn't what you say it is what Google say it is. And to enable Google say anything, digital marketing is the key.
Exactly. Thank you, sir, for being with us and sharing your insights. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Talk Free, Facebook page, Talk Free, Instagram, Talk Free underscore, and Twitter, Talk Free 6. See you next Friday with a fresh new topic. Until then, it is me, Sanjay, Amrish sir, and PM signing off.
And remember to talk free.